In this video, we will show you two ways to create waypoints on a Garmin AQUAMAP. First, using the Mark Waypoint key, then using the chart. Press the Mark Waypoint key to create a mark. Hold it to create a waypoint. You can use this key in any screens for marking your current position. The waypoint can be edited, deleted, or moved. Select Edit to edit it. Here is what each key does. Here, we will show you how to move the waypoint. Select Position. You can enter coordinates, use chart, use current location, or enter range bearing. If you choose Use Chart, use the arrow keys to move the waypoint position. Press Select to confirm, and then the Move Waypoint option will show. Next, let's use the chart to create waypoints. In the chart screen, use the arrow keys to choose the position, and then press Select. Select Waypoint to create a waypoint. If you want to edit it, select the first option. Thank you for watching.